Unlock the secrets to making your Medium blog instantly irresistible and keep readers hooked from the very first word. Step 1. Crafting truly compelling headlines. Think of your headline as the first impression. It needs to be clear, concise, and spark immediate curiosity. Ask yourself, what problem does your post solve? What unique benefit will your reader gain? Use strong verbs and intriguing keywords to draw people in. Next, we dive into the power of visuals. High-quality imagery is non-negotiable. Choose photos that are relevant to your content, aesthetically pleasing, and not overly cluttered. Medium doesn't allow many formatting options for images, so selecting excellent ones is paramount. Aim for images that tell a story and enhance your message, making your post a pleasure to look at. Now, let's talk about making your words shine through effective formatting. Break up long paragraphs into easily digestible chunks. Use subheadings to guide your reader through the content. Incorporate bullet points and numbered lists to highlight key information. Bold important phrases to draw attention to crucial takeaways. This makes your post scannable and much more enjoyable to read. Crucially, cultivate a consistent writing style. Find your voice and stick with it, whether you're aiming for informative, humorous, or introspective. Maintain that tone throughout your post's. Consistency builds familiarity and trust with your audience, encouraging them to return for more of your unique perspective. By combining eye-catching headlines, stunning visuals, smart formatting, and a stable writing voice, you'll transform your Medium blog into a captivating destination that readers won't be able to resist.